Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete a message in Snapchat app from both sides. Please subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to put likes and don't forget to write comments after watching the video. So let us get started with you. And first of all, open up Snapchat. Next, go to your chats. And here, let's say you want to delete a message for both yourself and your user. Pause. As you can see, there's one message from me here in this particular chat. And in order to delete it, you have to make one simple motion. Click on it and hold it down. And now, as you can see, at the bottom, there's a delete function. And then, in order to delete it, you need to confirm the action. But this way you will delete the message and the person will be notified that you have deleted it, unfortunately. And as you can see, it will say at the top that you have deleted the chat. Only in this way you can in Snapchat delete the message for both yourself and your conversation partner. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put likes and write a comment. See you soon.